So what's up YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today it's simple. So as you can see, it's really messy with that sink here. So one thing we're gonna try to do is, replace that sink, which is really old, messy, and that plumbing system was there for, I believe, for years. As you can see, the customer tried to, hold that with plastic just to stop the water. I know many of you watching this video maybe try that at home. Well, yeah, it's gonna stop or something for a few minutes, but yeah, call it plumbing, guys. So make sure we do that. So we're gonna go ahead and then turn off the water under the plumbing, remove the P-trap, and then cut everything. We've done everything. So it's really simple, guys. Those are the things I show you how to do at home, saving couple $100 when you have those type of problem. You don't need to hire a plumbing to do that. You can do that at home by yourself. That's why we're here, to show you how to save money on this channel. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and the most importantly, subscribe. That's how you're gonna help us grow and keep the positive vibe to create more content for you. So, and I already appreciate everybody who already subscribed to this channel. So it's a big pleasure to be with you. And then don't forget, I'm here to learn as well. So if you see anything wrong or anything I could do better in another way, just shoot me a text or a comment. I will definitely take that in consideration for my next move. Alright, so we go ahead and remove that, guys, and then make sure you get the same size, or if you want to upgrade to a bigger size, which is more than 24 inch, so you go ahead and do that. So the one we're gonna do, it's basically the same thing. So we're not gonna go upgrade it to the higher level, so we're still gonna keep the same single sink like the customer prefer. Alright, now we clean up everything, make sure the area is nice and clean before you pre-fit the new one, and then change the faucet as well, make it beautiful. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna put the camera a little bit faster. You guys can see that the results soon.
Across the pavement, hoping it will cave and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. need the bones to kiss. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I always fear the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. My love, I'm gone. I need to be strong. The darkness had tried to swallow me. Some days I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity. 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 Gravity.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me. Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
All right. So now we reach the end. As you can see, we tight everything. Make sure we connect the water. We connect the dishwasher. We tight the water line, and we already install everything. The pitch up are good. We put a Teflon to put everything. So we just retight everything. So it's kind of hard to kind of manage tightening those things under the sink with those pliers. So there's some special tools to do that, guys. All right. Checking if there's any leak, if everything functions pretty good, the water temperature, the mix and everything, the flow. We make sure it's everything there here. Check the water. There's no leak. Let's put a clean on there here. Of course, the cabinet, the bottom cabinet here, it's already damaged with the previous, water damages from years. So customer gonna change it in the future. But for now, it's all good. Alright, guys, I think that's it for today. So stay tuned. We're gonna post a new one tomorrow. Thanks.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.